of a complex number. Let n belongs to z plus n is a positive integer. n is a positive integer. z plus అంటే ఇక్కడ z అంటే ఇక్కడ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ కొడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి n be a positive integer and z naught is a given complex number. n be a positive integer and z naught is a given complex number. Then any complex number z satisfying z power n is equal to z naught. Any complex number z satisfying z power n equal to z naught. Then any complex number z satisfying z power n equal to z naught is called nth root of z naught. ఇక్కడ చూడండి z ఏ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి, z పవర్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు z నాట్. హియర్ z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు z నాట్ హోల్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 1 by n. ఇట్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ బై nth root of z naught means nth root of z naught. nth root of z naught means z naught whole to the power of 1 by n. z naught whole to the power of 1 by n. This is equal to z. z naught whole to the power of 1 by n is equal to z. Any complex number z satisfying z power n equal to z naught is called nth root of a complex number z naught. z power n is equal to z naught. z is equal to z naught whole to the power of 1 by n. Here z is nth root of this complex. z naught whole to the power of 1 by n means nth root of z naught. nth root of z naught is equal to z naught whole to the power of 1 by n. We have to learn about nth roots of unity. nth roots of unity. Already we know that square root of 1 that is equal to plus or minus 1. Square root of 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 values ఉంచండి, plus or minus 1. Similarly we have cube root of 1, fourth root of 1, fifth root of 1, sixth root of 1. These are all different kinds of nth roots of unity where n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. nth roots of square root of 1 అంటే 2 values ఉన్నాయి, cube root of 1 అంటే 3 values ఉండాలి, fourth root of 1 అంటే 4 values, fifth root of 1 అంటే 5 values ఉంటాయి, sixth root of 1 అంటే 6 values ఉంటాయి. We know that modulus amplitude form of 1 is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. 1 equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Modulus amplitude form of 1 is, here modulus is equal to 1. 1 into cos 0 plus I sin 0. That is equal to 1 equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Now we take 1 to the power of 1 by 2 that is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole to the power of 1 by 2. 1 to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. 0 is also equal to cos of 2k pi plus 0 plus I sin 2k pi plus 0 whole to the power of 1 by 2. 2k pi means when k equal to 1, when k equal to 0, we get 0 plus 0, 0. When k equal to 1, we get 2 pi plus 0. 2 pi plus 0 equal to 2 pi plus 0 and 360 plus 0 equal to 360. 360 is equal to 0. On 360, here we have 0. 0, 360, 720, 1080. These are have same values at this angles, 0 or 360 or 720 or 1080. Here we have cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole to the power of 1 by 2 అంటే square root of cos 0 plus I sin 0, square root of. Here we have to find the values of square root of 1. 1 to the power of 1 by 2. 1 to the power of 1 by 2 means square root of 1. Here we have two values, that is cos 1 by 2 0, I sin 1 by 2 0. That is one value of this cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole to the power of n. To write the two values, this can be written as cis of 2k pi plus 0 whole by 2, or this is equal to cis of 1 by 2, cis of 1 by 2 2k pi plus 0 where k equal to 0 1, k equal to 0 comma 1. Square root of 1. To write the square root of 1, చూడండి ఇక్కడ cis of 1 by 2 into 2k pi, that is equal to cis k pi, k equal to 0 comma 1, k equal to 0 comma 1. When we substitute k equal to 0, we get cis 0. One value is cis 0, another value is cis pi. When you know that square root of 1 is equal to cis 0 and cis pi. Here cis 0 is equal to 1, cis pi is equal to minus 1. Therefore, square root of 1 is equal to plus 1 and minus 1. That is equal to plus or minus 1. Similarly, we have to find the cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity means cube roots of unity. Let us consider cube roots of unity means cube root of 1. Cube root of 1, that means n is equal to 3. Here n is equal to 3. So omega is equal to cis 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Omega equal cis 2 pi by n, I sin 2 pi by n అనుకున్నాం కదా. n is equal to 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే omega equal cis 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 and omega power k is equal to cis 2k pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi by 3 where k equal to 0, 1, 2. To write all the values of cube roots of 1, we take this 1, omega power k. Omega power k is equal to cis 2k pi by 3, I sin 2k pi by 3. When we applying omega power k, we get cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Whole power k apply చేసినప్పుడు cos 2k pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi by 3 where k equal to 0, 1, 2. Here when we substitute k equal to 0, we get omega power 0. Omega power 0 means cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0, that is equal to 1 plus I into 0, that is equal to 1. When k is equal to 1, we get omega power 1. Omega power 1 equal to cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2, sin 2 pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. When k is equal to 2, when we substitute k equal to 2 in this result omega power k, we get omega square. Omega square is equal to cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 means 240 degrees. 240 degrees is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos value ఎంత అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వాల్యూ cos that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sin value is also negative value in third quadrant, that is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So cube roots of unity are 1 and omega power 0 is equal to 1 అని నేర్చుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 1 omega square. Cube roots of unity are 1 omega square. 1 omega square. 1 here omega means minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square equal to minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. These are the cube roots of unity. Similarly, fourth roots of unity. Fourth roots of unity. To write the fourth roots of unity, omega is equal to fourth roots of unity means n is equal to 4. Fourth root of 1. Fourth root of 1, that means n is equal to 4. Here omega equal to cis 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4. Omega power k equal to cis 2k pi by 4 I sin 2k pi by 4, k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. To write the fourth roots of unity, n is equal to 4. Like here omega equal to cos 2 pi by 4 I sin 2 pi by 4. Omega power k ante cos 2k pi by 4 I sin 2k pi by 4, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. When we substitute k equal to 0, omega power 0, we get omega power 0 equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Omega power 1, when we substitute k is equal to 1, we get cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4. That is equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos 90, cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0, I sin 90. 0 plus I into 1 is equal to I. Omega square is equal to cos 4 pi by 4 plus I sin 4 pi by 4. That is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is equal to minus 1, sin pi is equal to 0. I into 0 is equal to minus 1. The next one, when we substitute k is equal to 3, cos 6 pi by 4, k equal to 3 into 2 into 3, 6 pi by 4 plus I into sin 6 pi by 4. That is equal to cos 3 pi by 2 I sin 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 270. Cos 270 is equal to cos of 180 plus 90. Cos of 180 plus 90 is equal to minus cos 90, that is equal to 0. 0 plus I into sin 270 is equal to minus 1, that is equal to minus I. So we get 1 plus I into 0, that is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 I minus 1 minus I. These are fourth roots of unity. So fourth roots of unity are plus 1, minus 1, plus I, minus I. These are square roots of unity, cube roots of unity, and fourth roots of unity. From these three results, we observe that sum of the square roots of unity plus 1 minus 1 0, sum of the cube roots of unity. When we add these three terms, we get I root 3 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 cancel, we get minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 0. Similarly, sum of the fourth roots of unity plus 1 minus 1 plus I minus I cancel అయిపోతున్నాయి equal to 0 అవుతుంది. So sum of the cube roots of unity is 0, sum of the fourth roots of unity is 0, sum of the square roots of unity is 0. So sum of the nth roots of unity is also equal to 0. మరి ఇక్కడ nth roots of unity ఏంటి? nth roots of unity nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity are 1 omega, omega square, omega cube, omega to the power of n minus 1, where omega is equal to cis 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Cis 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Sum of the nth roots of unity 1 plus omega square plus omega cube plus omega to the power of n minus 1. To find the sum of the nth roots of unity, first we observed this series is in geometric progression. Geometric progression, first term is 1 into omega into omega square into omega cube. So first term is a is equal to 1, common ratio is equal to omega. A into r to the power of n. R to the power of n means omega to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. In GP, sum of m terms equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here omega power n. మరి హియర్ ఒమేగా పవర్ n ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇందులో ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్, ఒమేగా క్యూబ్, ఒమేగా టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ n minus 1. ఒమేగా పవర్ n మీన్స్ ఒమేగా పవర్ n అంటే 1. హియర్ ఒమేగా పవర్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. హియర్ ఒమేగా క్యూబ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. Cube roots of unity. Omega cube root of 1 is equal to omega. Cube root of 1 is equal to omega. So therefore cube root of 1 is equal to omega to the power of 3. Ante omega cube is equal to 1. Here fourth roots of unity are 1 minus 1 plus I minus I. వీటిని మనం ఏం చదువుతున్నాం? 1 omega square, omega cube. Fourth root of 1 is equal to omega. Fourth root of 1 is equal to omega. Ante omega equal to 1 to the power of 1 by 4. Then we get omega to the power of 4 is equal to 1. Here omega to the power of 4 is equal to 1. Here also omega to the power of n is equal to 1. Fourth roots of unity omega to the power of 4 is 1. Cube roots of unity omega cube is equal to 1. Similarly, nth roots of unity omega power n is equal to 1. Omega power n means cis 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Cis 2 pi guys, cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi means cos 0, sin 2 pi equal to sin 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus I into 1 plus I into 0 is equal to 1. So here we get 1 into 1 minus 1 by omega minus 1, that is equal to 0. So sum of the cube roots of unity is 0, sum of the fourth roots of unity is 0, sum of the nth roots of unity is 0. Similarly, we have to observe the product of the cube roots of unity. Product of the cube roots of unity. Product of the square roots of unity. Product of the square roots of unity. Product of the square roots of unity is equal to plus 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Atane product of the cube roots of unity. product of the cube roots of unity 1 into omega square, that is equal to omega cube is equal to 1. Product of the cube roots of unity 1 is equal to 1, this can be written as minus 1 whole square. Next, product of the fourth roots of unity that is equal to 1 into minus 1 into I into minus I, that is equal to minus 1 into minus I square, that is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into I square, that is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 whole cube. Sum of product of the square roots of unity is minus 1. Product of the cube roots of unity is minus 1 whole square. Sum of the product of the fourth roots of unity is equal to minus 1 whole cube. Similarly, here we have to find the product of the nth roots of unity. Product of the nth roots of unity ఎంత రావాలి మనకి దీని ప్రకారం ఫోర్త్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూనిటీలో మైనస్ 1 హోల్ క్యూబ్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూనిటీలో మైనస్ 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూనిటీలో మైనస్ 1 హోల్ పవర్ 1 whole. Similarly, here we have to prove that product of the fourth roots of unity is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. Product of nth roots of unity 1 into omega square into omega cube into omega to the power of n minus 1. Omega 1 means omega power 0, omega power 1 omega square, that is equal to omega to the power of 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus up to n minus 1. Omega to the power of 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus up to n minus 1. Here we have n terms. Sum of n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of n terms, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 2 plus up to n minus 1. 0, ఇక్కడ omega power 0 into omega power 1 into omega square into omega cube into omega power n minus 1. ఇక్కడ ఏం టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? n టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. n టర్మ్స్ అంటే 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 to n minus 1. That means n terms omega to the power of n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of n terms n into n plus 1 by 2. ఇక్కడ here n means 0 to n minus 1. First term, second term, third term, this is the nth term. Nth term అంటే ఇక్కడ n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Omega to the power of n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 cancel అయితే n by 2. Omega to the power of sum of a power m into a to the power of m plus n, that is equal to omega to the power of n into n minus 1 by 2. This is equal to omega to the power of n into n minus 1 by 2. But omega equal to, here omega equal to cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Omega is equal to cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n whole to the power of n into n minus 1 by 2. n by 2 into n minus 1. That is equal to cos n by 2 into 2 pi by n. n into n minus 1 by 2 అంటే ఇక్కడ cos of n into n minus 1 by 2 into t pi by n plus I sin of n into n minus 1 by 2 into 2 pi by n. By De Moivre's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n, where n is a integer or rational number. We know that this is one of the value of this values. This is equal to n cancel, 2 cancel, that is equal to cos of n minus 1 pi plus I sin of n minus 1 pi. Cos of n minus 1 pi, cos n theta equal cos n pi. Cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. Sin of n minus 1 pi is equal to 0. When we take any value, sin n pi is equal to 0. Cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n. Here we have cos n minus 1 pi, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. So, product of nth roots of unity is minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ మనకి ఉపయోగపడతా ఉంటాయి. cos n pi that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n, sin n pi is equal to 0. n belongs to z, here n belongs to z. Cos n pi, here n place లో ఇక్కడ n minus 1 కాబట్టి minus 1 whole power n minus 1 plus I into 0, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. Product of nth roots of unity is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. So, note that sum of the nth roots of unity is equal to 0. Product of the nth roots of unity is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. Similarly, nth roots of unity are 1 omega square omega cube up to omega to the power of n minus 1. Here common ratio is equal to omega. Omega means cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n. Cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n, that is equal to cis 2 pi by n. So 1 cis 2 pi by 3, these are represented by cis 2 pi by 3, cis 4 pi by 3, cis 6 pi by 3. Omega is equal to cis 2 pi by n. Omega square equal to cis 2 pi by n whole square, that is equal to cis 4 pi by n. Omega cube ante cis 2 pi by n whole cube, that is equal to cis 6 pi by 3 and so on. 1 cis 2 pi by 3, cis 4 pi by 3, 6 pi by 3 and so on, cis 2 into n minus 1 pi by n. K equal to omega power k equal to cis 2k pi by n, cis 2k pi 1, where k equal to 0 to n minus 1. Cis 2 pi by 3, cis 4 pi by 3, cis 6 pi by 3. Here these are differ by the argument 2 pi by n, 6 pi by n and 2n minus 1 by 2 pi by n. This is the argument. These are differ by 2 pi by n. These two are differ by 2 pi by n. Sir, antena. Okay.